Listen and practice. Morning walk. A walk is the lightest exercise. A walk in the morning is specially useful to persons of all ages. It refreshes one's mind. It keeps one medically fit. That is why I have never missed my morning walk. I have to walk 4 miles up to the canal bank. Nature is at her best in the early hours. The breeze is cool, fresh, and fragrant. The birds sing sweet songs. Their young one chirp. The dewdrops on the green grass shine like pearls. Flowers of different kinds and hues are grown along the bank of the canal. The fresh flowers, laden with dew, wave their heads in the morning breeze. There is nothing but fragrance all around. We take exercise. The rising sun looks like a ball of fire. The walk keeps me fresh throughout the day. At night, I enjoy a sound sleep. The value of games. Games help us keep fit. Those who take exercise daily seldom fall ill. Seldom का मतलब होता है कभी कभी. It is therefore very essential for every student to play one or the other game. Games teach physical education and builds character. Games teach the spirit of sportsmanship. Sportsmanship teaches cooperation, team spirit, discipline, and proper behavior. All these qualities make one a good citizen. Athletes are a sign of the health of a nation. Some of the players are the pride of their country. Nowadays, games have acquired international importance. Matches on the international level help in developing friendly relations among different countries. It is a matter of great satisfaction that women have also started taking part in games. Computer. The computer is one of modern science's marvels. Its origins can be tracked back to the mechanical calculating machine invented in 1834 by Charles Babbage, an English mathematician. Because of the lack of engineering skill at the time, the machine was unable to fully realize Babbage's vision. Computers today are electronic. A computer can operate at high speeds because it is powered by a small current of electricity. It can perform calculations on very large numbers in a very short period of time using stored information and data. A computer can add, subtract, multiply, and divide large numbers in seconds. Even an expert mathematician would take much longer to complete such calculations. Computers are now widely used in all advanced countries for data processing, which includes fact completion, correlation, and selection. The use of computers is increasing in all fields of research, industry, and business. Computers have numerous advantages. They save time, speed up work, save labor, and reduce costs in the long run. They are used in educational institutions, industries, research laboratories, government department, and so on in all advanced countries. Knowledge is power. What is the greatest gift humans have? They are not as brave as lions, as strong as elephants, and as fast as cheetahs, but still mankind rules the earth. The gift of knowledge makes us stronger than any other creature on the planet Earth, and to earn the knowledge, we must train our brain by educating ourselves and learning from our past mistakes and experiences every day. This magnificent मतलब होता है शानदार and beautiful world around us is the result of knowledge acquired by humans century after century. From prehistoric times, humans started inventing and discovering various tools, devices that helped in evolution. Evolution का मतलब होता है विकास. To get better in our life, we must use the knowledge to help others and contribute to our society in whichever way possible. Knowledge is a device with which you can achieve everything that you want. Your knowledge keeps adding throughout your life. You can increase your knowledge by reading and learning on a daily basis.